Hi, this is a third video of screen record series at EdLivon. In this video, we are going in detail of the EdLivon's unique feature. What we discussed in the last video is just simply a brief discussion, but now we are gradually going in depth of these unique features of EdLivon's. The very first feature you are looking at this screen is the consultancy content. That is the very unique feature, and I click on this button and now we go on the next screen, which is explaining consultancy content in detail. There are total 12 buttons related to the consultancy content, and the very first button is how to develop a school. Well, this button is meant for those who are starting their school from scratch. I mean, if they don't know how to start a school, what are the prerequisites to start the school, what are those features or the factors which are required in the list to start a new school setup, this content provide a complete guidelines and details regarding how to develop a school. Now the next button is for explaining the organization theory. Basically, we termed as a handbook. Basically, what it contains inside is the vision, mission, how to make a organogram, how to design a hierarchy of the school, how to develop a good organization culture in your education organization, and number of other things basically which defines the organization theory. It contains the brainstorming content also. We provide different links in these folders which defines the heading of the consultancy content. Other button is the marketing strategy. In a modern world, no business can able to survive until unless they don't have a proper marketing strategy. So school as an industry and education sector as an industry needs proper marketing strategy to develop. Well, this button is meant for giving a marketing strategy to the stakeholders of the school organizations. This another button is very much important, which defines and gives a complete in-depth, in-detail, research-based human resource policy for any education organization. It's a very heavy document. It covers every possible aspect of any education organization and their related human resource policy framework. That's a complete thing here. School staff policies. If you hire a staff for a school, now what are the policies for a school to define the staff performance? It's inside. Parent student policy handbook is also there, which defines the rules and regulation regarding the parents and students in relation with the organization. Now other button is curriculum plans and activities. This explains a very in-depth details of curriculum planning, lesson planning, and number of other things which are required by the academic staff of education organization to define and develop their lesson plans. It's completely there. There are number of ready-made templates, there are number of ready-made designing material, there are number of other curriculum related plans which is present inside. So teachers and academic staff of the school go into this button and they can design anything which is related to their curriculum or academics. Now other button what we provide is a co-curricular plans and activities. We all know this very well, that education organizations are incomplete if they won't provide any proper co-curricular or extracurricular activities. So all possible activities, research based, which are the part of the international education organization, we take it and provide here. This is something which is very unique for education organization. There you can find number of plans of activities. Like for suppose we also provide ABLs and PBLs plan in this co-curricular plans and activity consultancy content. It's a very important button also. Now this is another very important button. Nowadays we are living in post COVID-19 situation, and you know that schools are very much in need and demand to define their SOPs regarding certain infectious diseases and other physical problems faced by the students of schools. So what we do here in this folder or in this handbook, we provide complete complete school safety procedure, which involves PBIS plans also, which involves post COVID-19 SOPs plans also, which involves physical security plans also, and there are a number of unique features related to the school safety and security procedures. This is a complete consultancy content for schools to follow the footsteps and secure their organization. Well, this another button is for logbooks and bookkeeping. There are number of activities going on in organization which is needed to be recorded and maintained. So this logbook is for bookkeeping, and you can understand. Another important button is KPI handbook. Basically, we introduce first time key performance indicator in education sector. Here you can mark the performance of the staff according to the predefined indicators. Complete consultancy content of KPIs are present in this button, and you can go through everything and define and predefine your KPIs of organization. The last thing but not least, operational audit. This consultancy content contains a complete go through awareness plan that how to maintain an operational audit of your organization. This is another one important thing as a button what you are looking, that this covers complete possible audit. Operational audit means every aspect of the audit that is possible in operations of education organization. So well, this video is for explaining these buttons present in the consultancy content, and by the next videos what we are doing, we are going in further details of these buttons. Till then, thank you very much.